Hello and welcome to the Gamma Voice web app by Gamma. This guide will help you configure the web app and allow you to make calls using your Gamma provided SIP trunks or Horizon company. This guide is intended for a Microsoft administrator. Before you begin, it is important that you have Microsoft administrator permissions as well as at least 2 Microsoft Teams phone licenses. Once Voice is configured, these licenses can be assigned to any user within the tenant. The web app landing page will allow you to confirm whether your Microsoft Teams phone calling plan is eligible for this product. When you're ready, click the Get Started button. You'll need to sign in with your Microsoft Administrator account, including multi-factor authentication if enabled, and then accept permission requests. You'll then be asked to select your account again, including entering your password and passing any multi-factor authentication requests that are set up. After accepting these requests, you'll see the company details screen. It's important to note the company name here, as it should be a name you recognise. If this is incorrect or you are unsure, you'll need to contact your telephony provider who will be able to update this for you. If the company name is correct, simply tick the box and press continue. The web app will now register domains and configure voice policies in the background. This will usually take no longer than 10 minutes, but can take up to 72 hours. If the setup isn't complete within 10 minutes, you can leave the app and will be notified when it is finished. You can then return when ready and complete the setup. When the app is configured successfully, click the Get Started button to continue. If you haven't received an email after 72 hours and the app has not changed, contact your telecoms provider. The Manage Users section will allow you to view the details of the Microsoft users within your organization, including name and email address. By default, this will only show those with a Microsoft Teams phone license, but all users can be shown by clicking the filter button. From this screen, you can allocate Horizon user details to the correct Microsoft user. This can be done in 2 ways, individually or via the bulk upload tool. Use the drop-down menu under Horizon user details to choose the correct Horizon user. You'll need to start typing a name before the list will populate. Please note that you will not be able to assign a user to those without a phone system license. The bulk upload tool allows you to upload a CSV file containing all of the users you'd like to assign. You can download the bulk upload template here. The template will look like one of these examples depending on whether you have a SIP or Horizon service. Your Microsoft Teams users will be shown here. You can then add in either the SIP CLI or the Horizon username here. Please note the CLI must be in the +44 format. Finally, select whether you wish to assign, unassign, or preserve the information. Assign is to add a new link between SIP or Horizon and the Teams user. Unassign is to remove this link between SIP or Horizon and the Teams user. Preserve is for correct information that already exists. Select this if you do not want to make any changes to that user. For example, if a new user is being added, you will want to choose Assign for them and choose Preserve for the existing team members. There can be a few reasons why a user can't be assigned from the uploaded CSV file. If you receive an error after you've uploaded a CSV file, an error log will be available. This will highlight the reason why a particular user could not be assigned. Once these issues have been addressed, you can upload the amended CSV, or if you prefer, you can manually assign the remaining users via the drop-down menu as shown previously. If any users need to be amended, you can click the 3-dot menu on the right-hand side of the user. This will allow you to edit or unassign that user. Now that users have been successfully assigned, they'll be able to make calls via the Calls section of the Microsoft Teams app.